that's a pretty restaurant, isn't it? That's it's like a bistro. It's like a wine place where you do champagne, wine, and you taste. They do caviar and stuff like that, oysters, and ham meats. I think it's all like Spanish bar. Oh, look at that. And a restaurant, I think. Yeah, they've got like a pizza oven out there. Well, very fancy, Lucy. What do you think? Yeah. Getting a bit blown away, she says, with all this. Wow, look at that. The Royal Opera House. Let's go towards there, Lucy. Come on then. These are lovely shops, aren't they? They've done it really nicely this year. Last year wasn't like this. This year's really nice. Wow. Wow, this traffic is a nightmare. There's chock-a-block even all up here. Woo! Look, there's all roadworks. It's nice, you can sit outside, it covers you from the weather. Wow. Come on, Lucy. Good girl. She's trotting on. Oh, that's a pub, lunchtime pub. Everybody's sitting there having lunch.
No, baby.
There we go, guys. This is the Opera House. Let's go to the front of it in a minute. There's the old Covent Garden Square out there. Yeah. Ooh. Lights are everywhere. Come on, Lucy. Hang on. I've got another text message to decipher here. It's all in code now, eh? We're at Bow Street Magistrates here, guys. This is a very famous magistrate court here. It's called Bow Street Magistrates. Oh, we've got a big lorry here from the Royal Opera House. So we've got things happening for Christmas. Let's see what's happening. Wow. Let's see what's the menu for the Royal Opera House. Come on then. It's a bit of a long video, but doesn't matter. We need to get there. Sorry. Let's go.